Hi, this is Michael Talis with the Talis Team. Today I'm going to show you an Eichler in North Mountain View in the neighborhood called Monta Loma or Thompson, depending on which maps you're looking at. Let me turn the camera around. So it's located on a very quiet street. A lot of similar homes around. So Thompson is a neighborhood that is bordered by Middlefield on one side, Rankstorf, then Central Expressway, and then San Antonio. So this is the front. The entrance is on the right side of the house. Pretty long walkway. And here is the front door. As we enter, to the left, it's kitchen, and we'll go there later. But as we continue straight, closing the door, this is living room. Yeah. Classic Eichler configuration. The distance between the beams is about 6 feet. So altogether, this room is roughly 24 feet wide. This room has access to the backyard. Typically for Eichler, a really good connection between interior and exterior. Wood-burning fireplace. Yeah, let me interrupt it just for a second. If you're interested in any properties in the Bay Area, we'd love to connect with you. My contact information is in the description of this video. And if you want to see more tours like this, please subscribe and comment so I will know what type of properties to cover and what you guys are interested in. Thank you. Look in the description. So here is breakfast area, or you can put a dining table there. The floor plan of this Eichler hasn't been modified since it was built, but it was upgraded multiple times. The kitchen is definitely not original, as you can imagine. So here you have built-in microwave, dishwasher with sink. Typical for Eichler, the cooking is electric. So it's electric cooktop, hood, and originally in Eichlers, right over there, where the pipe goes through the ceiling, used to be just a fan, but this hole in the roof was used to connect a real hood. And this is oven. And here it's kind of a pantry. So let me close it. As typical for Eichlers, there is a very good separation between the public area and the bedroom wing. So this way we're entering bedroom wing, and to our left is the master suite. It's a good sized bedroom. So what happened with this house, the original radiant heat failed. And pretty recently, the owner upgraded it to radiant baseboards. You can see them in every room, these baseboards. Yeah, you can see them in front of you. Closet. Pretty typical for this type of homes. And the bathroom that was also recently upgraded. With a medicine cabinet here. So coming out of the master suite, here in the corridor, there is a linen closet. And closer to the front door, there is a coat closet. This Eichler was painted, but this inside the closet, this is the original panels. Bedroom number 2. Also with the new baseboards. So it's still radiant heat. It's still hydronic system with water recirculating for heat. And it's gas powered. I'll show you the system a little later. And here is a closet. What's typical for original Eichlers, that there was no central lighting in the bedrooms. So this switch is connected to one of the outlets, and that's what controls the lights. You need to plug in some kind of light fixture, and this switch on the wall will turn it on when you're walking in. Bedroom number 3. It's pretty windy outside, you can see the leaves. And here we'll also have a closet for the bedroom number 3. Second bathroom, very similar configuration, but this one has entrance from the hallway. Also with the medicine cabinet. This one opens the other way. This house has a 2-car garage. Yeah, through the kitchen, through breakfast area. This is the garage. And it's a 2-car garage. And what's cool about this garage, It has automatic garage openers for the original sliding doors. So here it is, one working. So you can really park here without getting out of your car. Yeah, and laundry area again. So now let's go check the backyard. From the living room, we have a concrete patio here. Really large tree. Not sure what the species. I think it's something like walnut based on the leaves and the fruit it's dropping. And from the neighbors overhanging, we have pomegranates and a fig tree. Here is one fig that is almost ripe, and pomegranates getting ready. So what's really nice about Eichler homes that you can see your backyard through the large Eichler windows, and it's very easy to connect inside and outside, especially when you have people over. Yeah, I earlier mentioned that the heating system was recently replaced. And for people who are really curious about how things work, this is the new boiler that runs this heating system. And this red thing is the pump. And regular water heater. Most of us are familiar with these devices, with these types of appliances. Behind the house, there is a large grassy area. It's perfect for games. Some kids who are visiting, they're suggesting to play soccer here. And it does look like you can have a small neighborhood game, friendly soccer game. Let me say a few more words about the neighborhood. This neighborhood is centrally located, and it's really close to major employers like Google, like Meta, and Stanford. And because of that, it's a very desirable place to live. And Waymo headquarters used to be here in Monta, Loma, but they moved since then. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have questions about this neighborhood or any other place in the Bay Area, my contact information is in the description of this video. I would love to connect with you and answer all your questions. Thank you.